Hi, you're watching Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing the second update for the Partners in Cream project that I've been participating in, which so many people on YouTube have been doing. This project was started by Steph Lyons and Guerlain here on YouTube. I'll have their channels linked down below along with the playlist of everyone who's participating. And I believe there is a hashtag on Instagram that you can also follow. Essentially, the premise of the project is that you roll in a certain number of cream products or just non-powder products and try to use them up. And it's a rolling style project. Let us get into the update. But before we do, actually, I would like to ask you to please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you are interested in following my no-buy journey and my shop my stash, these types of updates for project pans and so forth. Okay. All right, so the first item in this project, I'm gonna go in the same order I did last time. The NARS Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I used this 10 times this month. I did not wear makeup very often in February, clearly, or maybe there's a failure in my tallies, but in any case, this did not go down in grams at all. I don't have a decimal after my gram on my scale because I need to buy a new scale and I've been procrastinating on that. But I found that this is really handy for under eye as well. You can prime the under eye with this before putting on concealer as well as before doing eyeshadow on the top of your lids. So there's that. Then we have the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and this I used a total of 12 times. It does look different. It's not gone down in weight. I like to use it all over my lids before I do eyeshadow. And on days where I don't wear makeup, I should be applying this to my lids anyways, but sometimes I am lazy. This February, I don't know what happened in terms of makeup wearing, but it just really went down. I definitely am more motivated to wear makeup this month though. The following product is the primer from Guerlain. I used this 12 times as well. This actually went down in weight from 141 to 137 grams. And I found that actually I'm able to use 2 pumps as opposed to 1. I just realized this month. So I'll probably be able to get through this a little bit faster because my usage hasn't really been, like it's definitely gone down compared to last month, despite having only used it 12 times. It's tricky, eh? Sometimes I don't know if I can get away with 2 pumps or not with products, and I have to try it out first because my worry with base products is that if I apply too much, I'll get pilling when I apply other products, and the last thing I want to do is just wash it off and reapply. It's wasteful, but yeah. So 2 pumps of this next time. Ooh, throughout the whole of next month would be great because I could really up my usage of this bad boy. Next, we have the foundation from Makeup Forever. I was gonna say Forever 21. Girl, no. Forever 21 left Canada a long while back. So this is what it's looking like right now. Nothing substantial. It definitely looks like it's gone down. I only used this 11 times this month, which is kind of bad. It didn't go down in weight this month either. Last time it went down 1 full gram. Again, as mentioned, I don't have one of those scales that calculates decimals and I need to order one, but I've been so lazy. And also I'm on a low spend, so I'm a little bit like, should I not? Will it really make a difference? It will encourage me, but do I need it right now? Probably not. I don't know. Clarins Lip Perfecting Primer. Anyways, it's discontinued. Long story short, it might look a little bit different right now as I'm showing you because I actually pulled out a lot of the product out of the little plastic bit that's at the bottom because it was previously all pushed down inside. So as a result, I can tell that there is about, I would say like a pea's worth of product left, maybe like a green pea. I'm a chronic lip picker, so I find that this product really kind of helps helps with the bad texture on my lips sometimes, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't been fully caught up, by the way, I recently did a makeup inventory. I have not done an inventory since 2016 or 2015, I think it was the last time I did one. So there's one up on my channel. It was the last video if you missed it. That's why you gotta subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're always notified when I post new videos. I also did a non-makeup project pan update. That one I only update once every 2 months. I'm trying to finish as many things as I can. I want to take out so many empties at the end of the year. I'm actually aiming for 100 empties more or less, including some sample size items, but mostly full size items if I can. And yes, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and check out one of my previous vids. I will see you in my next one. Bye!